Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noel, and if you're new here, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below, and if you're not new here, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be experimenting with some type of hair. I've never dyed hair in my life before, but here we are. I bought this wig. This is a 613 real human hair, 13x6 lace frontal. I can't wear this like this. I'm not going to be installing it. I could not find a wig cap anywhere, but I'm going to be dyeing it and just styling it the way that I want. Maybe not styling so much because I'm not going to curl it for no reason. I'm not going to put it on my head. I bought this hair from New Nice Hair, and it comes in this really cute purple lace bag, purple silk bag. The wig was pretty inexpensive itself too, so I just thought I'd play around with it. It was about like $220, something like that, and they always have codes to offer. That motorcycle just got me vexed. It also comes pre-plucked, but I'm gonna plug it a little more too because I feel like everything could use a little help. I'm gonna show you what I'm using and what color I'm gonna be dyeing this hair, and then we'll go straight into the video. So I'm starting off with these tweezers. Okay, I just bought these tweezer men tweezers. I've heard really good things about this tweezer. I'm tired of buying $3 tweezers and then just returning to go back and buy more. So I just invested in a good one. This one was $16. And then I have 3 boxes of hair dye. I'm gonna show you which ones I bought. I bought them at the pharmacy, and that's why I couldn't find any wig caps because the beauty supply stores are all closed. So I bought this box dye. This is the Colorista Bleach hair cream or hair color, whatever you want to call it. I need to bleach the knots on the blonde wig, and I usually thought to myself, you don't have to bleach knots on blonde wig, like it doesn't make sense because they're not going to be dark, but they actually do come through the lace. And then this is the colors that I wanted my hair to be, so I got an 8 and an 8.5, which is medium blonde and champagne blonde. So I'm just gonna mix these two, and hopefully I get a really cute blonde type of color. I've always wanted to do blonde. I had a wig before. I'll insert a picture right here of how that blonde was. The wig was actually synthetic, and a lot of people love the wig. It was $40, and I actually got a synthetic wig sewed in. So imagine how that went. I got a synthetic wig sewed in. So I'm using the L'Oreal Paris 8 and 8.5 medium blonde, champagne blonde. I'm gonna mix these two colors together after I bleach the knots. So I'm gonna bleach the knots first, and then I'm going in with the regular dye. I also bought this purple shampoo just to tone out the hair because I know it's gonna be a little brassy. I can already tell the 613 is super brassy, super yellow. So I just bought this. Hopefully it works. I also bought Freeze Blast and the regular Got to Be Glue. This is what I use to secure my wigs all the time when I was wearing wigs. I always use the freeze spray to, melt my cap, and then I use this to glue my wig onto my head. With my Rite Aid gold coins, one of these was free, so that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not an expert at wigs. I'm just gonna start there. Like I said, I have never dyed hair before, so this is really a trial and error thing. So I want you guys to come with me and see if I can actually do something with my life and try to dye hair. So let's get right into the video. Hi guys, so I'm starting off with just reading the instructions because I have no idea what I'm doing. So basically I'm just going to pour the powder into the mixture, which is 2 into 1, and then I'm going to put 3 into 1 and just shake it all up. So I'm literally just gonna flip the wig inside out and go for it. The amount of bleach that I'm applying is a real thick layer because you want to make sure it doesn't seep. I'm pretty sure because the wig is blonde already, it doesn't really matter. So this is where I start to rinse out the bleach, and I'm using my purple shampoo to do so. And this purple shampoo is strong. It will stain the hair. So just please be careful, but it does tone the hair very quickly. So I'm just rinsing out, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and brush through the hair. So I'm just gonna go back in and just blow dry the hair. I'm gonna detangle and blow dry, and then we can move on to our next color. And honestly, if you guys really wanted a gray wig or like an ashy wig, you can go ahead and just apply that purple shampoo because it works really, really good. Okay guys, so now that the hair is completely dry, I'm just gonna make the two mixtures and start applying. There's really no way to do this, but I just grabbed any section, whatever looked dry, I made sure it was wet, I rubbed it in and let that sit for about 20 minutes. Again the next day, I just woke up and my wig is dry, so it's looking a little crusty just because my Jerome cousin fell asleep on my bed and my wig was literally under him. But this is the color that I achieved, and if you ask me, this is the exact color that I wanted. So if you guys want to really dye your own hair or dye even a wig, then really get the colors that I want. I'm gonna leave the link of this wig down below because I can already tell that when I installed it, I like what lace. When I install this, it's gonna be super, super cute. So guys, please stay tuned for my next video because I will be installing this wig. I just ordered a wig cap from Amazon. I also want hot comb and a foam, some foaming mousse because this hair looks really, really pretty when it's wet. I didn't even know it turned a little wavy. And in the video, you can see with the purple shampoo, it even turned purple, the hair. But this is the perfect ash blonde that I was looking for, and I'm so excited to install this wig. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to tune in on my next video. Click that subscribe button and click that bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys. Love you.